How to log Photos app on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you do that, simply scroll down and tap on the option of apps over here. As you tap on apps, you can see different options over here. So just tap on the option of app log at the bottom of the screen. When you tap on app log, it will lead us to a new page. So just make sure that you verify yourself. And as you verify yourself, you'll be able to see different list of apps that you have on your device. Now, when you want to log the Photos app on Android, simply you can scroll down and find the Google Photos over here as of now. So let me search for the Google Photos app over here. And here it is. So I just have to toggle on this option. As I've toggled on the option, now we can just go back and launch the Google Photos over here. Now, as you can see, I've already logged the Google Photos app on Android. So you have to enter your passkey in order to get into it on your Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.